To another form Titan video and use current time as a value for time element. And in this use case, you may want to record the time when a user submits the form. So rather than them having to fill it, you can automatically have that captured using this specific current time as a value functionality. So we'll drag over time under elements, move that across, and you can specify first of all if you want it to be a 24 or 12 hours. I'll just say 24, and then under advanced, check the use current time checkbox, and look what happens if we go to a preview. It's going to pick up the current time, which is 6:15 almost in London, and it will pick it up for you. Same with the 12 hours as well. Going to basics, time format 12 hours, save it and preview it, and it will pick it up again the same. So that's how it's done. That's how you use the current time as a value for time element. Thank you for watching this video.